going on, everybody? OPD here. It's another beautiful day in the Cheese and Moon workshop. Decided I was going to jump in on this EDC Pocket Dump. I tried it 3 or 4 times today, but there was always an airplane or a fire truck or a car wash across the street or something. Kept interfering with me. So first thing out of my pocket is this little fishing knife saber that I restored and put back together. Second thing, this is my pride and joy here, my cattaraugus knife and fork I enjoyed my lunch with. Second, my OPD Chinese Kershaw and my ride or die utility knife. We all know what this is. I always carry a couple coins with me just in case. And I've got my keyback made in USA Kevlar cord keychain. I've got my Nightcore Mini 2 multi-function flashlight here. 500 lumen turbo. Great little light. I love it. Got my little gift keyring pry bar. I use that joker every day. A little Victorinox pen knife. And I actually was wearing this today, but it broke. It's my old timer. I love that knife. I'm hoping to find a buck 110 soon. The other item, I got my little nylon belt sheet there. It's my 1966 Zippo. My handy dandy rocket book. These things are pretty awesome. You can write in here, stays on for 30 days, or see if I can dampen that a little bit. With a damp cloth, you can just wipe it dry. Look up Rocket Book. You'll see what this is all about. You can scan this with your phone and it goes into a computer or email file. So what else we got here? The pen that works with that has to be a friction pen. Got my little magnetic wallet. And what else? What else? Where'd it go? One other thing. Maybe it's still in my work vest here. Well, there it is. I work construction and I play with knives, so I always carry a little tube of this in my pocket. It's better than Band-Aids. It's basically medical grade super glue. There we go, folks. OPD's EDC. Please like, subscribe, click notifications. Until I see you again, have a beautiful day.